Alright, we've got Zane from SC Racing here.
Yeah, that's right.
He's going to give us a hand to install the hoop, the roll cage, although it's not really a roll cage.
Roll cage line.
Yeah.
Just don't roll the car.
Yeah. I'll do my best. What do you do, Zane?
Roll cages, rally cars, stuff like that. So yeah, all sorts of fabrication to get race cars.
Yep, sick. From here, we're going to need to remove some of the bracing, but not all of the bracing, just so we can get it in. That didn't move at all. Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
It's going to be too tight.
Yeah.
Good. But just going to have to squeeze it in and then. Oh, you alright? Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah.
Not bleeding.
No, it was right here. I just went. Do you want the hammer?
Nah, it's got to cut. Bottom, probably on both sides. 10 mil, because we're not going to plate there anyway.
Yep. Okay. Because we probably want to be. Oh no, that's probably about right. I just want enough clearance to go, because that hole in the B pillar is where the seatbelt buckle goes, or seatbelt goes.
Yeah.
So I want to have enough clearance away from that.
Yeah. And you're just you'll see a bit of the cage with the window or not? You're going to cover all that?
I'll cover all of it. The window should fit inside it. We've got, I think, 3 jump bucks here to measure off.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, so you're losing this?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so when this goes in, the plan is to cut.
So all jump back from back there.
Yeah, well, outside of...
Yeah.
Inside is jump buck, outside is M3.
Yeah. You can hit it with a metal, you're not going to dent it.
It's sensitive ears.
Oh, okay. You said that very sensitive.
I think probably around there.
Yeah.
So I don't want to come past here.
Edge there. Okay. That's pretty good. That's almost in line with the B pillar, which is...
And I mean, I still think that will be inside of the jump buck tub.
Do you need this, there's a seatbelt roller bolt there? The reel?
Yes.
Do you have that? Okay. That looks about right.
We'd probably want to just give it a little bit, don't we?
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, okay, and then just hit the top here.
Yeah.
So aim for there and aim for there.
Yep.
Whatever it is in the middle.
Yep.
That's cool. It's not going to be as tight when we put it in because I'm going to get a ratchet strap. Just pull it together so it's easier to get in.
Yep, okay.
I think we just go straight up, so like there.
Yep.
Follow that one kind of line there.
Yep.
And then just a plate kind of back
over
there
the
somewhere.
top. Over the top, not up to here.
No. I think that's just, yeah. Because it's not as strong up there anyway. Like it's nice because it's a corner, but
yeah,
it's pretty tinny.
Yep.
Okay. And that's tinny as well, but like,
yeah,
you're getting further and further away from where it's actually like kind of attached.
Yeah, where all of the bits meet.
Yeah.
So, this is where it's going to sit. We've got to make sure we clear where the seatbelt barrel goes, and then bolts up to here. So we'll do a plate up to this line, but flat, and then go straight across, making sure we tack all of that together so I can still get my fuel tank in. Alright, so when Zane made it, he made it tight to the outside. We just ratchet strap it so it pulls it in, and then when we release the strap, it will spring back into place, hopefully. That's how it works, isn't it?
That's the plan, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if I know what I'm doing. Right. So we got planing a little bit.
Can I ratchet any more?
I can, yep. How's that? Happy?
You're gonna have to go back a bit. Yep. That's like pretty spot on.
Go forward a little bit and then tilt it. I guess we just
I didn't want to go past there. We don't have to be in line with it though.
Okay, so you're pretty happy with right there.
Like honestly, right there. Yeah, okay. Let me take some beauty shots with the camera. Yeah, that's perfect. So we've still got room for the seat belts. We definitely want to make sure we tack that.
Yep.
I do not want to.
Oh, that's under the tube.
Yeah. You want to go?
Ah, you can go. You can take your hand. My hands are fragile.
Just like my ears.
Right. Cool.
Yeah. Have you got this? Can I grab one of them?
Yep.
I reckon that's...
Yeah, looks good. I owe you some paint repair. Dog, go away. Go away. Come on. Cool.
Yeah?
Yep.
That's cool. That's plenty of a platform. Alright, so the pads are done.
Yep. Ready for a hoop?
Ready for a hoop. Oh man, I gotta stop doing that.
Go to Bunny, get some pitch well. If they got it there.
It's more just like I don't want to hit my head.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be able to weld all the way around it, but like,
Yeah, might be able to lever it out a little bit.
yeah, okay.
A bit tighter.
But that's pretty good.
It's tight enough.
Yeah.
Happy with where it is?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good there, tack it.
Send it.
Cool. Alright. Ow. Alright. Ow.
Do you?
Oh no. Across.
And I reckon, like, once we do that bit across, we'd be able to cut that out, wouldn't we?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know, it depends what you want to do with it. But
Sure, why not?
if you plan on leaving it on jack stand from here, I think it's going to be fine, yeah.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah. But, like I said, this is actually attached to the body, yeah. It's only attached to the floor.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, but once we do...
it is tight there.
Yeah, it's tight there, and if we do one across here...
Yeah, but it's not actually going to hold the car.
Ah, yeah, right.
Yeah. Once you've done these, though, you'll be able to do that.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
You really want to get rid of that bar, don't you?
I do. I do.
What, lower than that?
Yeah, 420.
Blaze it?
Blaze it, mate. Full send.
Ow!
Oh, no.
I got molested by your handbrake.
Thought you hit your head again.
No. It's the other end.
Oh, no. I don't know which one I prefer.
It's a lovely handbrake.
Did it take you out to dinner first?
No, I didn't.
Oh, no.
Little more. Little more. Too much. Take it back.
Sure you're happy?
The thing is, like, when I chuck it through the torsion test, it's either going to pass or it's going to fail. And then at the end, like, I have to do the torsion test before I do any of the bodywork, before it's painted.
Oh, so that doesn't matter then, does it?
No, that's exactly right. Like, it's all about the same.
Why do you have to do it before the bodywork? Or you just want to do it before the
No, he said that's the order you do it in.
Oh.
So then if you do need to add extra supports...
Yeah, yeah. All makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Fuck that.
I said you didn't need to unload it, man.
Happy now?
Yeah.
Still happy? Get out.
Yep. Right, making real good progress. So we've got the first diagonal. Zane is just making up the next one. So that'll go back to the same plate as well. I've just finished making a couple of pads that are going to sit in here. And then we'll go from this join back to the pad. Same thing on the other side. And then I think it would probably be all right to remove the C-pillar. It's real clear in here. Heaps of room for activities. I just wish I could just like lop it off there and there. And then it would be like full Ute spec. How'd we do, Zane?
We got there. That's all we can ask for.
I think we did. I think it's worked out pretty well. I mean, it's all gonna be tied in. There's probably some gussets that I can put in. And when I know what's going on with the roof, I'll close that up. But how does it rank on frames you've done that don't really need to be engineered?
I mean, it's going to be strong. I think the biggest thing with this project is tying in the towers, because obviously you're going to lose all your C-pillar and stuff. So I think there's still a little bit of work to do, some more bars to go in, but this will definitely let us get the tub in.
Yeah, sweet. And I dare say once we finish doing those, triangulate in that corner, we could then cut out the C-pillars.
Yeah.
That's gonna be, I'm looking forward to that one. That one's gonna be so much fun. But I think that'll do it for today. It's 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock?
Yeah, it's knock-off time.
Knock-off time.
It is.
You said it, mate. Thank you again. See you later.